Got this open mitre on this dado rail and joined together. Now, if you listen, so this side is slightly loose. Magnet, there's one nail there and another one there. So I'm not going to bother doing any drilling, nothing. It's already fixed, it's just slightly loose somewhere. So, started raking the old filler out. Take a little bit more out, but only as far as here. Maybe come back a little bit. Okay, that's not too bad. Bit of a void down there, and that will run right the way back. But at the moment, that's covered, that's okay. I just need to get some filler in behind there. A light sand, because this is very smooth already. Masking tape, bit of low tack masking tape. And then just open that up. And with the dust brush, make sure that's all stuck down around the edge. Now this is what I'm going to be using. And now there are a lot of other expanding adhesives, gap fillers, and some specifically just for woodwork, but this bonds to most materials and with me all the time, very versatile. So before you put your tape on, just slightly wet the joint and just pop a small amount into that joint. Just hold it there for a second, just to let that expand into the gap. While that foam's drying, curing, I've got plenty I can be carrying on with. It's got some bin primer there. Just do some spot priming, touching up. Just a bit of loose paint I took off. As I can find some more. So now either just pull the tape off, or I like to do is just sand that off the top there. Remove this tape. Ready for another light sand. Now I'm ready for my next step. I'll prime the area with the bin primer and then sand down when it's dry, and 3 to 4 layers of filler, and we're ready for painting. That was 3 layers of filler in there. That's not too bad at all. Now that I've got a little bit of exposed wood here, just touch it with the bin primer and just bring it across the whole area. Two coats of satin wood. That first coat of paint is now dry, so this is ready for its second coat. Just get some light shining on that, so that's absolutely perfect. Just got that dark patch there showing. Again, second coat going on. So got my pad, and very lightly I'm just going to key the surface of that paint. This is a worn pad, so I won't be going through this at all. That's good. So that's the satin wood I'm using, Dulux. So second coat to be going on. Now, usually when I'm doing a complete job, as in stripping walls and general woodwork and all, then my go-to filler would be this, because I'm filling the walls and woodwork using foam as well with where the woodwork is to help stop any cracking. With this stuff, because I'm only doing the woodwork, then I'm going to use this. Many reasons why you wouldn't use this on walls. So this stuff you can use plasterboard, brickwork, stone, wood. It's a multi-purpose filler. Well, this is a pure bristle brush, which up until only 2 days ago was in emulsion paint. So it's just got a little bit worn now for the walls. So good old brush now. Let's take a dip. If you're using a paint that the tin has previously been opened and there may be some contamination, then filter your paint, which will help get a smoother finish. And also, before you put your second coat on, after you finish sanding, wipe over with your tack cloths.